Today I'm going to show you how to install and adjust our differential pressure controller DA516, which is the valve you see right here. So as we know in a hydronic circuit, right, imagine each of these as one circuit, and we have them set at a certain flow. They're exactly at the same flow. So if we go in and start making changes in the circuit or throttle one of the valves, what you'll see is it's going to affect the flow in all the other circuits. So all these circuits interact with each other. And what the differential pressure controller does is basically helps to make these circuits pressure independent. And with that, we get rid of interactivity, and it also helps us to maintain a very good control valve authority, which is what we want to have that controllability in our system. So in order to install the DA516 in your system, you have to have a STAD connected on the supply side, and then your differential pressure controller goes on the return side. And there's this capillary tube that you see here basically connects your STAD, which is the manual balancing valve that we have, with the differential pressure controller. For the DP controller to be activated, we need to get a 5mm Allen key and open up the red PT port, which is the high side PT port on our manual balancing valve, which now will open up this bypass and will have the water flow going to the DP controller. So I would take a 5mm Allen key to open up this port. You do not have to worry about the port coming out. It will stop automatically when you reach the maximum point that you can basically thread it out. And once we do this, we'll start having water flow through this pipe and the DP controller gets activated. One of the most important things that we have to keep in mind is to vent the DP controller before we actually start working on our system. So you'll see two nuts here in the back that you can open up in order to vent the DP controller. So once we open up the PT port for this bypass through the capillary tube and vent our differential pressure controller, now all our circuits should automatically be pressure independent. And we can see that now if I go ahead and turn up one circuit, the flow does not change in any of the other circuits. So they stop interacting with each other, and we're able to maintain a constant differential pressure and thus better authority and control in our system. And in order to adjust the DP controller, you would simply rotate this wheel on the valve body and set your differential pressure controller to your desired setting for the system.